Hi, I'm Spencer Watson. I'm here today at the Brain Tumor Charities head office. I'm very excited to meet with the whole team, see all the amazing work they do, and meet with fellow researchers and colleagues such as Tyler Miller.
The research project I just got funded through the Junior Fellowship for the Future Leaders Program is all about how do we reprogram immunosuppressive myeloid cells in glioma to enable immunotherapies to be more effective for brain tumor patients.
My project deals with how the environment of a brain tumor responds to the kinds of treatments we use, and how these responses to treatment can actually make the tumor worse, make it progress, make it recur quicker. And we're trying to develop cures that can go alongside traditional treatments to try to abrogate some of these negative side effects to improve a lot of the treatments that we already have. Developing new treatments takes an incredibly long time. There's a lot of clinical trials, and a lot of times this is just not fast enough for patients. So by trying to find treatments that are already available in the clinic and see how they can work together with existing therapies, we can hopefully move towards better treatments quicker.
So the whole reason that I became a physician scientist and the reason I'm doing brain tumor research is really to try to make an impact on patients in a positive way and their families. And the way that we can do that is to bring the discoveries we make in the lab into clinical trials and to have those discoveries try to improve care. And clinical trials are such a really important part of the process to getting medications approved and helping patients. In my opinion, every brain tumor patient should be on a clinical trial. We don't have good enough therapies right now for any of these patients. And so, we're all trying to create new therapies, and having patients participate is incredibly important. It doesn't happen unless we have patient participation.
Being a Future Leader Fellow with the Brain Tumor Charity was an amazing opportunity because not only is it a really ambitious funding scheme that takes riskier projects than other funding charities or funding agencies might do, but it also puts me into sort of a network of like-minded researchers who are really trying to drive the next generation of cancer cures. And these networks with all these other amazing talented researchers are really what's going to be the underpinning of future therapies that will hopefully really benefit cancer patients very soon.
Today has been amazing because by doing the Meet the Researchers, we've actually been able to meet Tyler face to face and get to know more about where he is with his project, and it's given us real kind of hope for the future in terms of glioblastoma research, and has just kind of really solidified the reason why we donated to his project.
I'm excited to translate the research that we're doing with the brain tumor charity projects into combining those with the immunotherapies for future clinical trials to make those therapies even more effective than they are now.